Hey everyone, let's talk about how to fix Meetup group not visible. So to fix this issue, it depends on whether you are looking for a group you are a member of or trying to make your own group visible to new people. When you are removed or banned, if an organizer revoked your membership, the group will disappear. Just try searching for the group in the top search bar. If you see the join button, you were removed. Now, if the group was closed, now the group might has been closed. Groups sometimes shut down by the organizer or by Meetup for inactivity or guideline violations. If the page says group not found, it has been deleted. You can also check your device. Just log into the Meetup website on a desktop computer because glitches often affect the mobile app, and the desktop browser gives the most accurate view of your membership status. Now, if your own group isn't visible to new members, check the group privacy settings. Improve your keywords and update group topics. Make sure that you tag relevant event topics so the algorithm aligns your group with potential attendees. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.